Kajala kalay snok tilang bat karihi brokaway ban raki ya ka National Voters Day ka bakadway da ka jingelang ka blalong hapo Raj Bhavan hene kala singu blay jong tayo. Ukongsan hagani ka singu de ulat ka jalaw Satyapal Malik ubala pertu ya ka jingla pantray borba ka office u Chief Electoral Officer rengkat ki District Election Officer ban kmi binya bagi nong tavot ki barang chustang ban ki bansan kinyo ya ka kabu banyak cementa ha collection. Ulat udap da kemensim ke bakamen ban tip ban panyosngo baka jelam Igalia kalayo ban pedang sendon ya ke kusnam best electoral practices jong menta usnem arajar arway hadin ke jingla ban penyat bet penyat denti ya ke assembly election house nem arajar khatpra kane ke kusnam ke dei ke bla ayaka da election commission of India. Nakaliang Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District kong Aisa Wanda Lalu IS haka jingkran ek jongi la banjur ya ke jing donkam ki khun samla panyami shakmat hakikam election lokata la penpauru ya ke jingwan ban linchop ke kram kalabu jing e ban pentelun shakmat ya ki kam ban pendrung kerteng henry la ai kublai kerpang ya baro ki nong trei kebel trei chitam ban la ha ke ban pendrung ya ke kerteng ki khun samla ha ke thop jong ki electoral rule jong ke jala kum kadak bandaki ya kini kesngi nakaliang ulat samru ya ki price ya ki nongjob jong ki babon teli ki jing penyakop la pelong da ka office jong Chief Electoral Officer rengkat ki jing trailang bat ka Model United Nation shushu la samru ya ki kusnam ya ki best BLO par ka jing sam ya ki epic ya ki samla ki bedang shuyo ban pendrung themai ya la ka kerteng ki jong ki ha ka thop jong ki electoral roll nalor kata la pelai pai baru ya ka Meghalaya Atlas bat ka ELC anthology padadin kini ulat pleru ya ka art bat photography exhibition kabla long hapo multicultural hall Raj Bhavan.
National Voters Day was first celebrated in 2011 to encourage young voters to take part in the electoral process. This year too, we join hands with the rest of the country in our state across 60 assembly constituencies and 3194 polling stations to celebrate National Voters Day in a befitting manner. The previous year, 2020 has been a difficult year due to COVID-19 pandemic, as all of us have been compelled to adapt to the new norm. Proceedings, processes and protocols have been revised. In the present scenario, most of the voter education programs, awareness have had to be organized online. However, the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer along with the district teams are leaving no stone unturned to protect the flame of democracy and to celebrate National Voters Day. I am happy to learn that the State Election Department undertakes manifold activities covering conduct of elections, registration of voters, preparation of electoral rolls, voters awareness campaign, and various other related programs under the direct supervision of the Election Commission of India.
I'd like to request Mr. Hayden to be ready on backstage. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as a sign of encouragement for our young future prospective voters. Adrian? Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very, very silent crowd today, but it's always good to encourage people. And for a short film-making competition, the first of its kind by the Chief Electoral Officer in Meghalaya.
Please keep the claps going as they release the Atlas and the ELC Anthology. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Meghalaya Atlas. And now a keynote address by the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Satyapal Malik.
And this is the recent Rajya Sabha election, more of the protocols during COVID times. That was a big challenge, but it was successful.